Have you ever struggled to read a foreign website, translate a complex PDF, or understand a video in another language? Today, we're looking at a tool called Immersive Translate, located at immersivetranslate.com, which promises to make translating websites, PDFs, and videos easier than ever. But before you download or sign up, we want to give you a completely honest, behind-the-scenes look at what we found. To be fully transparent with you, when our team went to thoroughly test the platform for this tutorial, the website was running a strict Cloudflare security verification screen. Because of this security wall, we couldn't access the inner dashboard or verify the exact translation features firsthand. Additionally, there are currently no verified user reviews or official performance ratings available in our research database to confirm how well it handles complex PDFs or video translations. Because we promise to never make up facts or give you unverified claims, we can't show you a step-by-step walkthrough of the interface today. However, if you want to try it out yourself, you can head over to immersivetranslate.com to see if you can clear the security check and test its translation capabilities. Since we don't have verified reviews on its safety, pricing, or accuracy yet, we highly recommend starting with basic, non-sensitive documents first to see how it performs. Have you had a chance to bypass the security screen and use Immersive Translate yourself? If so, drop a comment down below and let the community know if it actually works for PDFs and videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest, hype-free tech reviews. See you in the next one.